very ridiculous. And I'm gonna use
Happy or not? Are you surprised or not? Good.
oh wow. I'm so excited. He also gave me my Christmas present and it has a really cute message and a very ridiculous wrapping skill.
My hair just got the Dyson.
The next day.
I'm so tired, but I need to do some work and I also need to edit a video. So yeah, I just had to force myself to get out of bed to do this because work doesn't get done on their own. Look who got bubble tea.
Six and a half hours later.
Hello everyone. So I think you can tell. Let me just stand here. Yeah. I think you can tell my eye situation. I think it has gotten worse. So basically it got irritated by my contact lenses. So I have a bump on my eyeball right now and it is literally so uncomfortable. So I'm just gonna go sleep right now. It's not even 10. And I'm gonna use this, which is a heated eye mask. So this was sent to me from my company a few months ago as a part of a care pack. So thank you. So yeah, good night. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Actually, you know what? I think I'm just gonna have this, which is the regular strength. This one's extra strength. Okay, yeah.
(8:01 p.m.)
제가 간만에 공연 끝내고 지금 컨디션이 멀쩡해서
솔직히 첫 콘서트는
나 콘서트가 기억이 안 나.
저도요. 왜냐면은 긴장 너무 했어요.
나도.
아 진짜 말 그대로 꿈 같아요. 그러니까
Time to go check on my cucumber plant.
Much later.
It's currently 10:30 p.m. I just finished work. It actually felt really nice to be working in such peace and quiet, you know, without people messaging you and asking you questions here and there. So I managed to finish a fair bit of work, which was nice. I wanted to continue working, but then I felt like maybe I should just rest because I still feel very motivated to like work. I decided to edit this vlog that you're watching. I'm editing a clip where I'm wearing this pajamas and I know I have been just rotating between this pajamas and the white one, but they are just so freaking comfortable. They're both from Naywai, so if you're interested, I'll link them in the description box below. So I got the petite one because I'm petite, and they fit perfectly. They're so cooling. Even though they are long sleeve, as you saw from the vlog, I literally wear it throughout the entire day. So I'm pretty sure this is gonna be the last footage of this vlog, so I hope you enjoyed it. I know it's just full of me working from home, but yeah, that is real life. So I hope you guys enjoyed it anyways, and I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in my next vlog. Bye!